Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Options Professor podcast. This is Damien, and today is Friday, July 31st. And so let's take a look at how my week did. I had a really good week. I'm hoping everyone else here also had a good week. If you look at some of the call outs I made on Sunday in the podcast, I think everything went in the direction I thought they would. The very first stock let's take a look at was RH, Restoration Hardware. And so Restoration Hardware, I was looking at the 280 level. I think 280 was the level I thought was a good area of support. And Monday or Friday, it opened up around 285. So I was managed to sell some credit here, the 280, 275, and collected. I can't remember. I collected maybe $1.90 for that spread. And so this actually expired worthless, so expired over 280, and that gave me a 62% winner. So 62% in a 5-day credit spread trade is really good. I don't typically see that type of percentage in credit, but this was also a little bit more of an aggressive move, and I liked it because I liked 280 level. So this worked out for me, a 62% winner in 5 days. It was a good move. Another stock I'd called out was Home Depot, right? So we looked at Home Depot on the Sunday podcast. And if you remember here, I was looking at, down the bottom, maybe holding a 255 and then a 275 up to the top side. So if I'm looking at this at the top range of maybe 275 and the bottom range of 255, I thought it would stay within this range and potentially move up to 270 level. But what it did during the week was just trade sideways. And so I entered an iron condor and I went out 2 weeks. So this is an August 14th expiration. I have this trade open for it to stay within this range over the next 2 weeks. All right. So this is one I'm currently in. I don't know if the 262 can still maintain support, like I said on the Sunday. It probably could. So I'm not sure though. Next week I probably sell the 262 for credit as well. All right. And another one I looked at was Carvana. And Carvana, I got into this stock Monday morning. Monday is right here, opened up around 150. And so I sold the 145. So I sold the 145 level. Looks like a good support level. I made 36% on this trade in 5 days. So 36% winner from Monday to today, Friday, and expired worthless. So not much for me to do, nothing to be worried about, as it just sort of trended up and hit the 157 where I thought it could run to. So 157.50 was my target for it to run up, and it did hold really that 150 level, but having a little bit of cushion at 145 wasn't too bad either. So that's 2 winners now that I had. I was also in an iron condor for ROKU. And if you remember, ROKU I called out as being neutral, right? This was not going to be bullish or bearish. This was going to be a neutral play because I saw this channel forming in between really the 145, 165. And so I did make this trade. I did an iron condor for it to stay between 145, 165 for 5 days and managed to collect 37%. So 37% winner in 5 days. All right. So there's 3 winners right there. A stock that I didn't really call out, but I saw developing early in the week was Best Buy. And Best Buy looked like it was going to be on the move up. I saw a lot of momentum happening. And I decided to do a debit spread on this one. So I ended up buying the 97 call and selling the 99 call. And this gave me a $2 wide spread. And I bought this for 98 cents. Okay. So, roughly $1 I'm risking $1 to make $2, and my target was, can I make about 100% move, 100% on this investment? And I got out. I sold the spread at $1.75, which gave me $1.75, which gave me an 80% winner. So made 80% on this Best Buy. Now it did have me worried a little bit because it came back down to 97. Made the move up to 99, came back to 97, back to 99, and then back down to 97, and then finally broke through to 100 yesterday, Thursday. So real good movement in the stock. It did exactly what I expected to do, and I'm pretty happy with an 80% win over 4 days. So those are my trades this week. I mean, I did a few more, but I didn't have any losers. I think there's a few more trades in the 30-40% range that I was making money on. So overall, I closed July pretty strong, one of my strongest months. And if I'm continue to do the 30 to 50% winner, week over week, then you can see how those profits add up. So thanks for tuning in. If you got any questions, drop me an email or comment below. And if you come back, listen to Sunday, hopefully I'll have similar call outs that I did in the previous Sunday. So, last week I had a so-so week as the market kind of was choppy. This week, the market was pretty good. It was straight up. Oh, sorry. Even if I look at the ones I didn't make, I think I called AXP out as being bearish. I specifically said that this stock was going to potentially come down to 93. And if you look at what happened to this stock this week, it actually did come down to 93 and even below it. And so this would have been a good, sell the call at the upper level. I probably could have entered this trade, but I didn't. So it could have been another, 30-40% winner. All right. Well, tune back in Sunday so we can look at next week. Hope you all had a great trading week as well as I did, and a good month. July was obviously really good to me. We'll start off August next week and hopefully have another good month. Talk to you on Sunday.